Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of the Artificial Professor, and in this video we are going to be learning how to leave a review on Airbnb as a guest. So right now, as you can see, I'm on airbnb.com, and here you need to simply head over to this review section. As you can see, we have profile on the top and a little arrow, and then we are directed towards our review section. And here you can see we have two particular tabs saying reviews about you and reviews by you. We are going to be simply clicking on reviews about you to see the reviews that are given to us from the place that we rented and their owners. So if you just stayed at a place, they can simply write a review about you and it will be appearing in here. After that, you can see we have this option of reviews by you, and basically here will be appearing the reviews that you have left on that particular place that you've rented or stayed in. So yeah, this is basically how you can leave a review on Airbnb as a guest. I really hope you found this video helpful in any certain way. If you did so, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.